Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering the Vizio TV and having the remote ready. If the remote fails, use the TV side buttons to proceed. Once the set is active, press Menu or Home, then navigate to Settings. Make sure you enter System or All Settings and find Accessibility. This is where the narrator lives. You do this because Narrator is an accessibility feature. Once you open Accessibility, you'll be positioned to either toggle voice guidance off or enter additional audio/readout controls. Proceed now. Now go into Accessibility and select Voice Guidance or Audio Guidance. Different models label it slightly differently. You should see a toggle. Switch it to Off, then confirm if a dialogue asks whether you want to stop spoken feedback. Once done, make sure audio description and closed caption settings are not re-engaging voice features. If your remote supports quick access, you can adjust audio description via the Audio or CC buttons. After turning the toggle off, listen briefly to ensure narration has stopped. Finish by restarting the TV to ensure the change sticks. Power off, wait 10 seconds, then power on. If narration still speaks, check connected devices. HDMI sources or USB media can have their own audio guides, so disconnect them to isolate the problem. If voice continues, update TV firmware via System Check for updates, or use the SmartCast app to push updates. As a last resort, backup settings and perform a factory reset. This resolves stubborn configuration or firmware glitches in most cases.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.